Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. Today's video is quite funny. Who wants a free driving license? Let me know. Put your hands up. Comment below. Let me know if you want a free driving license, because there's a new petition right now. Allow driving instructors to pass learners unable to book a test. It's really funny, but maybe it's serious at the same time. Allow learner drivers to be passed if the driving instructor feels they are safe to drive due to the failure of the government to enable learners to book a test. So basically what you're saying, or what this petition is saying, is people like myself, driving instructors like myself, can pass you on how we feel if you're able to drive or not, which allows a lot of room for dodgy instructors out there to take a nice little earning from students who can't actually drive. So let's see what's happening here. Okay, so obviously we know from the other petitions you need 10,000 for it to be responded by the government. So it's reached about 11,000 right now. It is unfair on learners who have been unable to book a test due to the pandemic to have to wait a significantly long time to have access to booking one. Obviously, grammatically that sentence didn't make sense, but we get the gist. Anyway, the reason why I find this slightly amusing, here we go, deadline 9th of March. Let me just see when this was created. Does it say a date? It doesn't really say here. Anyway, the reason why I find it slightly amusing, even though obviously 11,000 people signed up, so obviously it is something that is close to your heart if 11,000 people have signed up. But the reason why we find it amusing is purely because any instructor now can sign off anyone, members of their families. They can sign off anyone they feel that they wish to have a driving license. Obviously it's always fair that if you have an external body governing you. So as an instructor, for example, I can teach loads of my students, but I can also be bribed, couldn't I? Someone could just bribe me and say, look, can you just give me the license? Whereas if you have an external body, they will assess you independently. That's the main reason why I don't think this will go ahead. We're still waiting for the government response to this petition here, the extension to your theory test. Once we get it, we'll let you know. So make sure you guys like, share and subscribe with our channel. But let me know your thoughts. Do you think this is a right petition to happen, or to ask the government to allow driving instructors to pass their learners? Is this fair, or do you think it's open to corruption, bribery? And if it is, what do you think a fair price is? Is it $1,000? Would you pay $2,000 to your instructor to give you a license? It's just a theoretical, guys. We're not here asking for bribes. But let me know your thoughts. What do you think? Is it fair, or do you think this is open for corruption? Guys, don't forget, we are a fully qualified driving instructor. Go check us. All jokes to aside, don't forget, we are a fully qualified driving instructor. Go check us on YouTube, FM Driving School, and you'll see all these videos: how to pass your driving test, how to pass your theory test, top ways to impress your driving examiner. As I said, I very much doubt an instructor will be giving out a theory, practical license. So make sure you guys like, share and subscribe, and you'll be up to date with all the latest videos.